I'm Janie Moran. I'm a Cultural Economy Development Manager at Cheshire East Council. Shift is a digital programme that's been running to develop skills and audiences and also professional development across the borough. It's come out of the fact that there's a lot of digital industries and creative industries in Cheshire East, and there's a need to raise the profile and also develop skills for the future.
Cheshire East and Shift were really interested in having a digital artwork that would exist in public space and be very much about heritage and the people of Mac, basically.
It was quite fortuitous that FutureEverything ran the Fault Lines programme, and Matt was one of the artists on the Fault Lines programme, and we'd already had an interest in his work, so it was a real nice synergy to be able to bring that to Cheshire East with support of FutureEverything.
FutureEverything is an arts organisation that develops projects on the intersection of art, science, technology and digital culture. We currently run a programme called Fault Lines, which is about supporting artists who are interested in developing more digital culture within their work and their practice.
So they approached me and introduced me to Macclesfield, and yeah, we took it from there, and it was a sort of gradual process of getting to know the town, meeting people, and then the project kind of evolved pretty naturally that way, which was a new process for me actually.
So 108 Steps has been incredibly well received in Macclesfield. We've been talking to lots and lots of people from either the local community or they've travelled to see the artwork this weekend, and the reception has been incredibly positive.
People from Macclesfield have absolutely loved the artwork. They've really engaged with it. It's gone almost viral in Macclesfield on social media. People really interacting with it in a very playful way as well, and people wanting to really understand some of the technical side of it, and very interested in creativity. So yes, I'm really pleased. It couldn't have gone better.